What's up, guys, and welcome back to a new video. And in this video, we are leaving to Wyoming again. We're gonna go on a trip to Wyoming. But this time, you can see we're not leaving only in the morning. It's 7:44 in the morning. That's later than last time. I went 5 in the morning. So it is a short notice. It's only been a couple of months, but you can help our friends. So right now we're not gonna get out of Texas today. As of July, what day is it?
22nd.
July 22nd, 2023. Also, I'm recording with a phone, and just like the last time. Hold up, guys. But that's good. Go back in the house. Got some books over here. Plenty of snacks. Got some fast twitch audio last night. The truck whines even if you go 0 miles per hour. It's on neutral. Even with the parking brake on. That's weird. Also, I have this feature where I guess I can take a picture while recording. No, but right now there's nothing really important I need to take a picture of. This is an old truck my dad had that's as old as him in 82. Hope it didn't get. What would be a problem if it caught your motorcycle license plate? Now I've got my seat buckled, stuff ready. So yeah, now we're going. Have to hide this, of course, because I don't want it to show addresses. Excuse me, guys. Just have to be careful. This video, if you see it, then it means I probably didn't show any sensitive information. You know, I bet you plenty of people that watch my channel are not stalkers, but I am not showing addresses. I'm not calling people out. Anyways, that was the camera. It's 80 degrees. Bye, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.